Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Franklin County, Wayne County, Union County, Indiana, Fayette County, Indiana, until 6 p.m. At 4:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located in Wayne and Fayette counties in Indiana, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Richmond, Connorsville, Brookville, Centerville, Cambridge City, Liberty, Hagerstown, Dublin, West College Corner, Glenwood, Salem, Waterloo, Blooming Grove, Columbia, Metamora, Bunker Hill, Abington, Brownsville, Laurel and Greens Fork. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Indiana between mile markers 134 and 156. Here is a